If you observe clearly, there are so many warning lights on the dashboard. This one is check engine lights, this one is sleep, some are transmission, this VDC off, and windshield. Good morning, guys. Today I'm working on a 2006 Nissan Armada. So I found that there were lots of faults. You can see this is my scan 2. Okay, come. This is my scan 2 now. So right now we are in the system. Coming. Okay, let's go back again. Let's just exit this engine system first to start with. So that you guys will know where I'm coming from and where we are heading to. Okay. All right. So these are all the systems of this car. So the ones with red label here are the ones that are 40. Then these ones that are black are not 40. So we have so many systems here. We have the anti-lock braking system, which has 1 fault. We have the airbag system, which has 5 faults. We have all wheel drive, AWD 4-wheel drive, which has 2 faults here. We have transmission, which has 4 faults. Then we have engine, which has 1 fault. So these other ones has no fault. These other ones, they are normal. So we have firstly we are to inspect each of the system one after the other. So this now we are starting with the engine. Now we are starting with the engine system. So it should go like this. All right, I think we have to start this car so that we don't run out of battery here. So as you can see, now we are in the engine system. If you observe clearly, there are so many warning lights on the dashboard. This one is check engine lights, this one is sleep, some are transmission, this VDC off, and windshield. And this one that flickers here that is blinking is for what's basically called SRS, supplemental inflammable restraint system airbag. All right, so this was the fault code that it was showing on the engine control module, which is not too bad and not too good too. It's a backup circuit of engine control module. This fault code simply means this fault code is actually talking about a random access memory of the ECU that is about to malfunction or that is malfunctioning already. So, and it's not supposed to behave like that. Okay, we can log on to YouTube from here. You see, like right now I'm online now. So this is fault code P1065. It's talking about okay, this is video. This is video of what's going on. This is video of what's going on. Okay, let's see what this man has to say concerning this photo. All right, let's just go down. All right, so let's see what this man has to say. Okay, you can see it's about to diagnose the fault code now.